So I'm so sleepy. The craziest thing is, my nurse just came to me and told me that what I'm what I have in my IV right now is pre-meds. This not chemo yet. I'm like, oh really? Just the pre-meds is making me sleepy. So we'll see what the actual chemo medicine does. All right, I'll keep you posted.